If you've ever thought, AI is too big, I'll never catch up, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and realistic way to learn AI fast, even if this is the first time you're hearing about it. A lot of people feel like they're late to AI. But the truth is, you're not behind. You're right on time. Millions of people are starting from zero, just like you. The mistake most beginners make is trying to learn AI like a scientist. They jump straight into complex terms, coding, and math, and they get overwhelmed. Instead, you should start with understanding, not memorizing. Your first goal is simple. Understand what AI is, what it can do, and how people actually use it in real life. Spend your first hours watching beginner AI videos, reading simple explanations, and asking basic questions. You don't need to know how AI is built. You just need to know how it works and why it matters. Once you understand the basics, the fastest way to learn AI is by using it. Start with 3 tools only: ChatGPT for text and thinking, an image generator for visuals, and a video AI tool for short videos. These tools allow you to create, not just learn. And creation is how skills are built. Use ChatGPT every day. Ask it questions. Ask it to explain things simply. Ask it to help you write, summarize, or plan. The more you interact with it, the faster you learn. Then move to image generation. Type a simple prompt and watch how AI turns words into images. You don't need perfect results. You just need practice. After that, try a video AI tool. Create something basic. A short clip, a simple idea. Nothing fancy. This builds confidence very fast. Now let me give you a simple roadmap you can follow. In the first month, focus on understanding AI and using ChatGPT daily. By the end of this month, you should be able to explain AI in your own words without sounding confused. In the second month, focus on creative AI tools: images, audio, and video. Create something small every week: 1 image, 1 voiceover, 1 short video. In the third month, start building small projects. Combine text, images, and video. Document what you're doing. Share it if you want, or keep it for yourself. What matters is that you're applying what you learned. Here's something very important. Don't try to memorize AI terms. Don't focus on theory too much. Learn by solving small problems.
Need content? Use AI. Need ideas? Use AI. Need visuals? Use AI. This is how real learning happens. One powerful trick most people ignore is using AI to teach you. Ask it to explain concepts like you're a beginner. Ask it to simplify things. Ask it to create learning plans for you. AI is not just a tool. It's also a teacher if you use it correctly. Another key to learning faster is setting small, weekly goals. Not big goals, small, clear ones. 1 week, focus on understanding. Another week, focus on creating. Another week, focus on combining tools. Progress comes from consistency, not intensity. Also, don't learn alone. Join AI communities, read comments, watch how others are using AI. You'll learn a lot from other people's questions and mistakes. Now, let me tell you what to avoid. Don't start with math. Don't compare yourself to experts. Don't try to learn everything at once. AI is not a race, it's a skill. And skills are built by doing, not by watching endlessly. So remember this: you are not behind. AI is still new, and the door is wide open. The people who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who start and stay consistent. If you follow this approach, In 90 days, you'll know more than most people who only talk about AI. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Guru Zen, and tell me in the comments what part of AI you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next video.